Hello everyone, and welcome to Hello English. Today we're going to talk about some pronunciation practice. We're going to work on two sounds that I have noticed are difficult for Thai speakers. The first sound is L, and the second one is R. To say the sound L, put your tongue behind the back of your teeth, like this. To say the sound R, pull your tongue back in your mouth and move your lips in a circle, like this. Now let's practice some words with L and R sounds. Repeat after me. Lice, rice, light, right, lace, race, glass, grass, full, fur, pilot, pirate. All right, let's try these words again. Here we go. Lice, rice, light, right, glass, grass, full, fur, pilot, pirate. All right, I hope that was great practice for you. Join me next time as we practice more English. Bye-bye.